Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let us try to solve this problem. So the given data in the problem is a heating element supplies 40 kilojoules in a time of 40 minutes. Find the potential difference across the element when a current of 2 amperes is flowing. Okay, so here what is given is asking us to find out the potential difference. Okay, and the value of resistance is not given, but the amount of current given is nothing but 2 amperes. The amount of work done or the energy consumed, okay, the amount of work done or the energy consumed by this resistor is given as a 40,000 joules. Okay, is asking what is the value of this voltage. Okay, now let us try to do it. Okay, the amount of work done or the energy consumed, okay, is given by the formula of W is equal to 40,000 joules, and the time taken, which is nothing but 40 minutes, and we need to convert into second. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, that is equal to 40 into 60 seconds, that is equal to 2400 seconds. But he is asking us to find this potential difference. Therefore the formula for potential difference, we are already having potential difference is nothing but voltage is equal to, so this voltage we are going to call it as a work done or energy required by charge. Okay, so work done is already given as a V I T, which is nothing but energy by charge. So the formula for charge current I is equal to Q by T. I require the value of a charge Q is equal to I into T. So V into I into T is already given as a 40,000 joules of energy divided by I into T. What is the value of I? Value is 2 amperes multiplied with the time of 2400. So when you perform it, then you are going to get the voltage as 8.3 volts. So how much voltage is required is the potential difference is nothing but 8.3 volts to make a current to flow as 2 amperes. Okay, so and you can see, you can write down the definitions of the formulas one more way. Okay, so this voltage also we are going to call it as a, how to write down the units of voltage. So this is 8.3 volts, or you can write down it as 8.3, which is nothing but joule by coulomb. Okay, and this current of how much is given, 2 amperes. So current is also can be written as Q by T. So this current is also called as, Q is called as coulomb by second. If you want to calculate the power also, you can calculate it. So we can find out the power. Okay, so power is equal to voltage into current. So how much voltage we obtained here? So here we had obtained an voltage of 8.3 volts into 2 amperes. Okay, so when you do it with your calculator, 8.3 into 2, you are going to get it as 16.6. Okay, so the ultimate units you are going to get it as watts. Okay, or you can write down in one more style also. This is nothing but 16.66 watts. This is nothing but voltage into current. So 16.66. So when you substitute this formula for voltage, we are going to get it as coulombs by charge multiplied. The formula for current is how much? Coulombs by second. Therefore you can write down in this format also. Okay, so the ultimate units of power you can express in terms of watt. And if you want to write down the energy, okay, so energy is equal to power into time taken. This also can be written as a watt hour. Okay, so the formula, what is the formula for power? So we are already having the formula for power is nothing but joule by second into second. So it will get cancelled out. You're going to get it in joules. Okay. So what is the amount of power we obtained here, which is nothing but 16.66 joule by second. And if you want to substitute the time, okay, so you can see in the formula the amount of time given is 2400 seconds. Therefore second will get cancelled out. So 16.66 multiplied with 2400 if you make, then you are going to get the energy consumed is 39.8 kilowatts. Okay, this is the amount of energy consumed by that resistor, and the units of energy is nothing but here you are going to get kilowatt. The ultimate units you are going to get in joules. Okay, so that is how to define the. So this is nothing but here you are going to have, this is not charge, this is nothing but coulomb will get charge, and units you are going to get joule second. This also can be written as a joule by second, or you can write down direct formula which is nothing but watt. Watt is one way of representation, and this is called joule per second. Why? Because the formula for voltage you are having so the work done is nothing but we're going to have joule by charge, units are coulombs. So joule by coulomb will get cancelled, and ultimate units are watts. So this is all the basics about. So what is the magnitude of voltage, what is the magnitude of current, what is the magnitude of power, what is the magnitude of energy. Hope all the complete definitions what we explained earlier you are able to understand. If you feel my explanation is good, please like the video and share with your friends. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel. The name kvthulasi. We'll meet with one more beautiful problem. Okay. Thank you for watching. Yours Ram.